Hi friends, myself Atish Jain. Today I will show you how to create business email in GoDaddy and connect it with Gmail. We can say business email or professional email. It's something like this. See, something at the rate yourdomainname.com. For example, I have a domain with the name atishjain.in. Then I'll create mail ID like contact@atishjain.in. Otherwise, info@atishjain.in, or we can say hr@atishjain.in, director@atishjain.in. Like this, we can create any kind of email ID as per your business requirement. So, what are the requirements to create business email in GoDaddy and connect it with Gmail? So, the requirements are: you need to have a domain name, you need to have a hosting space, and you need to have your Gmail ID. So let's start. Friends, first I am going to log into my GoDaddy account. So give the username and password. So once you click on sign in button, and my account is enabled with two-step verification, so it's asking me the 6-digit code. So I'll enter the 6-digit code. And here we go. See here, this is my GoDaddy login, and what I'll do is I'll just scroll down. What you have to do is you have to go to your hosting space. So here, go to web hosting, click on manage. Here click on cPanel. cPanel admin means you have to go to cPanel admin, and in cPanel admin you should create your business email. Okay, so this is your cPanel interface. Scroll down, and observe, you will see email. Okay, so here this one, under this email section you will find email accounts. So click on email accounts. Here click on create. First step is you need to select your domain name. So I am selecting my domain name as atishjain.in. Okay, and here I need to choose the email ID. That will be your username. I'll say contact. So my email ID will be contact@atishjain.in, and after that you have to give your password. Okay, so I'm giving my password, and after giving the password you need not to do any changes here. Simply click on create. And see, on the top right corner you will get a message, you have created contact@atishjain.in. Now you can log in into this email ID and check. So here you will see the list of all the email IDs which are created. Okay, and see the second one, contact, and you can say here check mail. So when you click on check mail, it will ask you the default web application, means the mail ID is created, but if you want to access your mails, there should be an interface. So GoDaddy is providing two interfaces. One is hard and third one is round cube. So here I'll select round cube, and you can keep this one as a default also. So I'll click on set as default and click it here. See here, this is the interface of your business email, and you got one email configuration setting from GoDaddy. You can just click it and you can check it also. See here, and this will contain the incoming server as well as the outgoing server. So these settings are useful whenever you want to connect your business email with Gmail. Okay, so what I'll do is, as of now, I'll close everything, log out from this webmail, and I'll just close all these windows. Okay, now I'll show you how to log in into your business email. So to log into your business email, what you have to do is open your browser, then give your domain name followed by / and say webmail. This is how you need to access into your business email. Okay, and contact@atishjain.in is the email address, and I am giving the password. And here you logged into the business email interface. Okay, so this is the first step, like how you can create your business email in GoDaddy. So every time whenever you want to send a mail, or whenever you want to check if you have received any mails or not, every time you have to log in like this only, your domain name / webmail. So instead of every time logging into our webmail like this, what we can do is we can connect this particular business email with our regular Gmail ID. So what we can do is, from Gmail only we can access this particular email ID, and that is the second step. Now we'll see how we can connect this business email with our regular Gmail. So for this, what we have to do is, you have to open your Gmail account. So here is my Gmail account. So once you log in into your Gmail account, click on this settings button, see here, which is there on the top right corner, settings, and again in settings go to settings. Once this settings page opened, you click on this option, accounts and import. So once you click on accounts and import, here you need to do two settings. One is, you have to do this setting, send mail as, and second one, this one, check mail from other accounts. So what you have to do is, you have to click on add another email address. So I'll just click on here, see, you'll get this window, and you can keep your name as it is, or you can write any name like support, or you can write automatic email, whatever you want to write, you can write the name, but I'm just keeping my name as it is. And here you enter your email ID, which is your business email. So that is contact@atishjain.in. Okay, and click on next step. Once you click on next step, here you need to provide SMTP server and the username as well as the password. So username is contact@atishjain.in, and I'll give my password, fine, and here you have to give the SMTP server. Now when you have created your business email, you got one mail, isn't it? See here, go to your webmail account and click on this mail, and here you will see SMTP server, outgoing server, see here. Okay, and whatever your server name is there, you just copy that, copy, and remember the port number. What is the port number here? 465. Okay, and come to this position and paste that server name here. Okay, and you have to change your port number. Port number is 465. Okay, nothing to do any change here, only these three changes, and click on add account. Here it may take some fraction of seconds of time. Okay, now it has sent one confirmation mail to your business email. So go to your business email once, click on inbox. See here, it will take some time, so you have to wait and see here Gmail confirmation. So click on this mail. Under this you will find one confirmation code. See here, this is the confirmation code from Gmail. So what you have to do is you have to copy this confirmation code, okay, and come here and paste this confirmation code. Click on verify. This is first step. After that, see here, before you can send mail from contact@atishjain.in using your Gmail account, please click on the link below to confirm your request. So click on this link also. So it will open this page and click on confirm. So this step is done. Now again you come to your Gmail, and here this time we have to set up POP3 server. That's nothing but check mail from other accounts. Here click on add a mail account. Again type your business email. So contact@atishjain.in. Click on next. Here you need not to do any changes, simply click on next. Here you have to give the username. So give the complete your email ID contact@atishjain.in and give the password, and here you have to give the POP server as well as the port number. So for this what we have to do is you have to go to your webmail here and go to inbox. You got first mail, okay, email configuration settings. In this mail you will see here incoming server. Copy this incoming server. See, you have to copy only the top line, not the port number. Port number you have to just remember. What is that port number? 995, POP3 port number. Okay, come here in this POP server, paste that server name and choose the port number 995. Okay, and always we want to use a secure connection when receiving mail. So check this checkbox and click on add account. Friends, that's it. We have configured our business email with Gmail account. Now click on inbox. There won't be any mails here. Why? Because these mails will be sent to your Gmail. Friends, suppose if this configuration mail is by default deleted, or without knowing if you have deleted this configuration mail, then where to check this particular SMTP and POP3 server names? This one we can check in our cPanel. So that I'll show you now. So from these email accounts, if you want to identify SMTP and POP servers, then this is your business email contact@atishjain.in. Just click on connect devices. Then you'll get this screen, set up mail client for contact@atishjain.in. So go bottom and here you'll find incoming server as well as the outgoing server. That's nothing but your SMTP and this is your POP3. So from this also you can copy and paste over there. Friends, now it's time to check whether we can send mail from one account to another account or not. So for this what I will do is I've opened my Yahoo mail ID. Okay, and from this Yahoo mail ID I'll send a mail to contact@atishjain.in, and this is my test mail from Yahoo. Okay, and I'll click on send. Now what we have to do is we have to check whether we have received this mail in our Gmail inbox or not. Why? Because we have configured our business email to our Gmail. So let me go and refresh my Gmail account. Go to inbox. See here, we have received a mail from Yahoo, isn't it? Mr. Atish Jain test, and just click out here and see from where we have received. Yahoo. Okay, and to which mail ID we have received? contact@atishjain.in. In the same way, you can send a mail from this Gmail account, okay, to any other account, and at the time of sending this mail you can choose, like you want to send it from your regular Gmail account or you want to send it from your business Gmail. Okay, so I'll show you that. So click on compose. Okay, and here from is there na, so you just click on drop down list, and here you can select your contact@atishjain.in, and 2. Here my Yahoo mail ID is atish_jain@yahoo.com, and here in subject line I am writing test mail from business mail ID, and thank you. Okay, and click on send button. Okay, so the message is sent. You can check it here. Now you go to your Yahoo mail ID and we'll see whether we have received the mail or not. See here, and you can see here the mail what we have sent from Gmail have been received in my Yahoo mail. Okay, and you can click and you can check here like from which mail ID it have been received. See here, it is showing contact@atishjain.in. This is how we can connect our business email of GoDaddy to our Gmail account. If you have gained any knowledge from this video, then give a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in next video.